welcome speech from our Deputy Secretary General. So now I would like to invite Yuvan Singh Negi, our Deputy Secretary General, to present his speech. Negi, please.
Yeah. Thank you, Anurag. So, delegates, good evening, everybody. I am Yuvansh Singh Negi, Deputy Secretary General of this conference, PPS MEN 20. So, delegates, me and Gandhi are very, very close friends, and he called me up one day. That was month of July, and he said me that Negi, we got we have to host a conference. So pull your socks, and we are on. So okay, there are n number of problems we faced while we were thinking about this conference. The first and the foremost was how to plan this conference, because there were some factors which were not helping us to plan this conference. One of the factors was lack of executive board. Delegates, let me tell you, the this conference in a very good manner are the people who haven't done their MUN, haven't done their MUN as executive board. Some are first timers in executive board, but they are good debaters and good manners in their respective committees. Then there were some more problems we faced. Some delegates backed off, and some of the EV members also backed off. And one more problem we had, that I had my paper and the team was not ready. So we just thought, ki, how should we proceed with that? So our section, Karun Gandhi, helped me a lot, and he said that, don't worry, dude, I'll cover up from your side. You just go and give your paper. And after I had my paper, we worked day and night to make this conference a grand success. And here we are, delegates. And to be honest, I didn't expect that this conference would go so well and so well managed. That this is the best conference I had ever, and that's the remark from my side. And I had a interaction session with the IP members as well of all the committees, and they gave a very good remark about the delegates. They said that was a commendable flow of debate in the committees. So delegates, that's it from my side, and wish you very best of luck for your future MUNs. And I expect that the first timers who came here will be confident enough in their future MUNs to speak. That's all, delegates. Thank you.
Thank you, Vansh. Thank you for your wonderful insight and a brief history as to how we made this conference happen. And with this, we would like to proceed with the prize distribution ceremony. And the first committee that will be distributing its prizes is ICJ. So again, I would like to hand over the platform to Yuvan Singh Negi and his team to assist. And Yuvansh, again, it's all you, bro.
Thank you, Anurag. So do we have the vice chair of ICJ, Ayush Mathur? Are you there? So just
Yes, yes,
unmute
I'm
and
ready.
say. Okay. So delegates, like I had this. This was the first time I chaired a committee, so I didn't have a clear mindset. So where to go and what to do, and I already told that I had my paper. So first of all, I would like to thank my vice chair and the vice IP chair. To be very honest, delegates, I didn't make any dispute. I didn't do any kind of research. I was there and just helping others with the proceeding of the committee. It was totally the vice chair of IB and my vice chair who did all the work. So hats off to you guys. Thanks a lot. And I had n number of first timers in my committee, but I encouraged them to speak, and I believe that they'll be able to speak in the future MUNs. So now proceeding with the award distribution, Mathur will be taking over. Over to you, Mathur.
Thank you, Yumas, for your kind words. So we'll start with the verbal mention. The verbal mention has been backed by the delegate of United Kingdom. Delegate of United Kingdom, if you are there, you can just unmute yourself and say something if you want.
Yeah, I'm there.
Or just yeah, fine. The special mention award has been shared by two of our delegates, that is delegate of India and delegate of Kenya. If you can show your presence, delegates.
Yeah, I'm here. The delegate of Kenya.
All right. The HighCom is being backed by delegate of Mauritius. And I think delegate of Mauritius isn't here, because she called me and she said that there's something at home. So I'm really sorry for that. Yeah, she's not here. And the best delegate has been backed by the delegate of United States of America.
Yeah, I'm here. Thank you for the award.
Well, before giving the mic to to Anurag, I would just like to say that me and Mathur had a great debate to whom we should give the best delegate and the high commendation, and it was a very what do you call? It was a very difficult decision for us to give whether it should be the delegate of USA or the delegate of Mauritius. They were commendable in the committee. Thank you, delegates. Thank you so much.
Even
Over to you, Anurag.
even for disputes we are having differences, like for the judgments. They were
Yeah.
amazing.
Yeah. Over
Thank
to you,
you.
Anurag.
Thank you, Negi. Thank you, Ayush. So with this, our next committee that we have in line for prize distribution is a United Nations Security Council. Now over to Vansh and Nihal.
Greetings to everyone. As the president of the United Nations Security Council, I felt that it was one of the most successful committees, one of the most successful Security Council I've ever attended. Not only the directive, but also the resolution was passed by this committee unanimously. Taking note of the fact that in the Security Council we have the veto restriction, and even if one of the P5 nations object to any resolution or any paperwork, it gets wrapped up immediately. But even after these restrictions, the delegates showed exceptional diplomatic skills by passing all the paperwork. And not only this, the debates and the arguments put forward by the delegates were really wonderful. And I didn't expect such debates and arguments in this topic in this committee, but I was really impressed by the delegates. For awarding the special mentions, special mentions and the verbal mention, I invite the vice chairperson, Master Nihal Agrawal, who played a great role in managing not only the technical stuff of the committee, but the whole management and the back support. See, there are two things. One that meets up the eye. The presiding is one thing, and the technical management and the whole back support of the committee is another. The whole back support and the technical management of the committee was given by the Vice Chairperson, Master Nihal Agrawal. Over to you, Nihal.
Thank you, Chair. Not to mention delegates, it was really a tough competition for both of us for discussing the awards, as all of the delegates who were really speaking up made a really tough competition. So starting with the verbal mention is backed by the delegate of Italy. Is the delegate of Italy present here? Okay, the delegate isn't. So we will move on to the special mentions. The special mentions in particular order. The special mention for first position is backed by the delegate of Japan. Then the special mention for second position is backed by the delegate of United States of America. And the special mention for third position is backed by the French Republic. Very well done, delegates. Over to you, Chair.
Now the award for the, yes, delegate. Now the award for the high commendation goes to a delegate who was active at all times. Whenever I asked if the floor was open for points, the first name I read was this delegate, and she played a really good role in the formation of the committee. This award goes to delegate of Cuba. Next we have the next we have the most promising delegate. This delegate was someone who played the most important role and the active role in all of the paperwork. He was not only active throughout the committee, but also one of the committee members who was highly crucial in the submission and the drafting of the paperwork. This award is backed by the delegate of the Spanish state. And
thank you.
The best delegate award, the one which everyone has been waiting for. I know there is a lot of excitement, but I don't think there is even a little bit of curiosity, because this delegate was exceptional from the very beginning till the very end. He had answers to all the questions, even to those of the executive board. The executive board tried its best to balance the committee by suppressing this delegate, but I was unsuccessful, and the best delegate award goes to the delegate of Soviet Union.
Thank you, Chairs. Thank you, Chairs. And I would like to thank all of the members in the committee for making this a very enjoyable discussion where I could show my talent. Thank you to everyone. Thank you to all the delegates. Thank you to the Chair.
Now I hand the charge over to Anurag.
Thank you, Vansh. So moving on, we have the prize distribution for our committee, UNGA Dissect, which was chaired by me and vice chaired by my friend Pravasu Aditya. This was one of the best committees that I've ever chaired, and the delegates really lived up to the expectations. And especially, I would like to point out the delegation of South Africa and delegation of India. They were really into it. They had some brilliant debating sessions, and they totally tilted the balance in their favor as they brought most of the committee to their side and created a voting session which passed with 100% success rate. That is something that I haven't seen in any MUNs, and it is something that hasn't been possible to pass a resolution with 100% voting. And with this, I would like to go forward with the prize distribution ceremony by handing over the stage to my friend Pravasu Aditya, the vice chair for the verbal mentions and the special mention. Pravasu, please.
A very good evening, guys. This is Aditya Pravasu, Vice Chair of UNGA DISEC. It has been a very great conference for these 2 days. Like, I have even dreamed about MUN in the night. So it was a very great session. This was one of the best MUNs I've ever attended. So without any further ado, I would like to announce the verbal mention that has been bagged by the delegate of Saudi Arabia. Do we have the delegate of Saudi Arabia with us?
Yes. Thank you.
Okay, now coming to the second award, that is special mention, that has been bagged by the delegate of China. Do we have the delegate of China with us?
Yes, sir.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you, Pravasu. And very well done, delegates. You really put up a good show and a real debating session that I expected. You really lived up to my expectations. And next, we have the high commendation. And the high commendation goes to the delegate of India. It was really difficult for me to pick this one because it was a marginal victory, marginal point that delegation of India missed. But he put out some terrific performance in the committee sessions, and he really was influential and really unique in the ways that he founded solutions to our agenda that we had in the committee. Very well done, delegate. Very well done. And the best delegate for our committee goes to the delegation of South Africa. He was the most active, the most sincere, and the most humble delegate that I have ever seen. In the most humblest of manner, he actually made his points of information and points of order really terrific and really disastrous, I should say, for the other delegates.
Actually, the fact is that I was going to back off from the committee. I had my exam today, so I was going to back off from the committee. So I approached the delegate of South Africa that on the onion router point that why don't you propose it? So he said that if you are done with your classes, you can join the committee. I will ask the chair, and when I asked you to join the committee, you allowed. So thank you for that.
Oh, no worries, delegate. You really had some terrific ideas in mind, an intuitive one. You really put forth your ideas in a manner that I didn't expect to see in the committee or to hear. You both did a very good job. It was a marginal victory for delegation of South Africa, but he really did a terrific job. Do we have the delegation of South Africa for UNGA DISEC over here? I would like him to respond.
Thanks a lot for the award.
Thank you, delegate.
We really had exceptional delegates from our committee. They had very creative minds and very creative thoughts, which really took our committee forward. And I'm very grateful for them for taking the stand of the committee very well. Over to you.
Thank you, Pravasu. So moving on, do we have the chair for UNGA SOCOM over here with us? Omkar Iyer.
Omkar, are you there?
Vice chair is there, sir.
Omkar was over here only, I think.
Mine was
Okay,
muted.
Omkar
I'm
is
sorry.
there.
All
Okay,
right,
okay,
I'm there.
sir.
I'm there.
Yes,
Mine was.
before delegates, before Omkar speaks, I would like to say a few things specifically about Omkar. Uh, uh, this is for everybody's information. I expressed my gratitude to Omkar Iyer. Presently, a small introduction about him. He is our old boy. Last year, he passed class 12 from Birla Public School, Pilani, and presently he is doing his degrees from uh, abroad. He is somewhere in Canada, and during the lockdown period he got stuck there, and because of that thing we he came to know that BPS is planning MUN, and then we are so thankful to him. His vice chair Ankit, he is also his batchmate, and I am so thankful to Ankit also. And within a short span of time they made this particular MUN so helpful, and they were really of great help. I don't have words to express my gratitude to both of them. So I request each one of them to please have a have a clap for them, please. Ayer, over to you. Please take charge.
Thank you, sir, for those kind words. But it was just like giving back to the school what I've taken from the school. I learned a lot from BPS and spent some of my most memorable years there. So that's the least that I could have done. Right. At the start of what I would like to start with, what I saw in this committee was there was no USA right at the start, which was kind of a setback. But all of the members handled the committee with great authority, and I think they filled in the roles of what was expected of them pretty well. So I would like to commend all of the delegates and the committee over there. The resolution was passed with a decision of unanimity. So again, amazing, amazing resolution that. And apart from that, let's without much ado, let's get started with the commendations that we have for you guys here. So I'd like my vice chair Ankit to do it. He's worked very hard throughout the conference. When I was not there, I was busy with my academic commitments. Ankit was there to look after. I think that the right to announce should go to Ankit here.
Thank you, Omkar. Thank you very much. This was one of my best MUNs which I have chaired. Thank you to the Birla Public School. Sani sir, I really thank you for giving me this chance. So the awardees which I'll start from the verbal mentions from the rank of order. The first verbal mention is backed by the delegate of Israel. You worked very hard, but then you just missed the special mention or even the higher award just by a fraction. The delegate of Libya, you bagged the second verbal mention, followed by the delegate of Myanmar. You three delegates absolutely worked very well, but then a little bit of consistency would have made you a lot better. Then we come to the special mention. Special mention award is being bagged by the delegate of Netherlands. Netherlands, you've done exceedingly well. You are a pressure in this MUN, and I hope you have better experiences in the future. Omkar, I request. Please.
Sorry.
Hello.
Yeah. Sorry.
Omkar, I request you to please announce the awards of the High Commendation and the Best Del.
Right. So for the High Commendations, we have the delegate. Sorry, I just missed out on that. You just mentioned one of the special mention recipients, right? You didn't mention the second, did you, Ankit?
The second is the award shared by, I think, the High Commendation. We had two awards for the High Commendation.
Right. Sorry, I think my link just broke off from there. Yeah, we have a tie for the High Commendation. I think these two delegates brought justice to their roles as delegates and representatives of the country, and they couldn't have summed up or justify their roles much better. I think their stance on this agenda was pretty concrete, and it was good to see how they developed, how they grew in confidence along the entire conference, right? So it was very nice to see that. That's what we were here for, the process of learning. The first High Commendation goes to the delegate of South Korea, right? A big round of applause for her. I think she's done very well, bearing in mind that it was her first MUN. So the delegate of South Korea receives
the high commendation here, the first high commendation. The second high commendation goes to the delegate of Iraq, right? In spite of having in spite of having a country that would have been targeted by many, right? And I was expecting, and it did happen, right? Iraq was a center of a heated debate, but the delegate performed very well to steer itself off the course, and at the end, and protected its national interest with great enthusiasm and with great sincerity. So yes, the delegate of Iraq, fantastic again. And the best delegate award goes to the delegate of, dare I say, delegate of China, right? It was a no-brainer. I think the delegate of China outperformed every delegate in the committee by miles. I think the delegate of China was amazing, a delegate par
Thank you, sir.
excellence. He was very affirmative when it came to defending his national policies, and he knew when to go in the denial mode as needed. So I think I learned a bit or two about diplomacy from the delegate of China here, right? I got to learn a few more things. So again, all in all that I wish to say is that I'm really glad and I feel honored that I had you as my delegates for my committee, and I hope to see you in the future. And I wish you all the best for your future pursuits. Yeah,
Thank you, sir.
that would be all. All the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. So now proceeding further with our conference, I would like to invite our Secretary General, who was also the chair of the Human Rights Council, to kindly give away the prizes for his committee.
Okay, am I audible?
Yes, Karun, you are.
Okay, to be very honest, at the starting of this conference, I was really scared about UNHRC because we had majority of the committee was full of first timers. So I was really scared that the committee might fail, but in the committee we had fun sessions, we had times when the committee went too serious. Our resolution passed clearly. That was really good. The delegates were really good. My vice chair, Alex, he was really supportive. Thank you all. One more thing, I'll also be joining the BPS MUN next year too. So I'll be really grateful if you guys join us again then. So moving towards the award ceremonies, I would like to, Alex, you can start with that.
First of all, thank you so much, Karun, actually, for giving me this chance. Like, being a vice chair, it was really hard for me. I never realized that. I'll be really honest, I got really irritated in the committee. I was really frustrated at day one. Delegates know what happened day one. I won't talk about it much, but I'm really sorry. I didn't mean to be hard. And also, like at the end of the day, getting an award is not an achievement, but getting an experience is the best achievement that you can get, being an experienced delegate. And I hope that we provided you a good experience. I believe that our chair was the best chair, definitely the best chair. The whole committee knows that. Just to state a point. Also, I would like to thank Anmol Chauhan, really helpful person, really helpful person. And before I give away the names of the prize winners, I would like to shout out to 3 to 4 delegates of my committee that I think did very well, but they just missed the awards. Yeah, I think they missed the awards. So those delegates are delegate of Iran, delegate of Kuwait, delegate of China, and delegate of Libya. Really great people, but I just hope that they would do something more. And coming to the awards, I crossed out names 4 times. It was really hard to decide. Ask my chair. It was really hard to decide. So without further ado, I would like to announce the special mention first of our committee. The special mention of our committee goes to the delegate of France, that is Harshita Saraswat. Is the delegate of France with us? Harshita, are you here?
Yes, sir. I'm here.
Congratulations. You did really well, delegate.
Thank you, sir.
Next, I would like to announce the honorable mention of our committee. That is the delegate of Australia, Amir Lokhandwala. Amir, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Amir, you did really great. You had to leave. I remember you had to leave for a while, but you did great. You had great questions. I really enjoyed your debate, man. Thank you so much, delegates. It was a good committee. I have to say it was a good committee. Thank you. Over to Karun.
Thank you, Alex. The delegates I'm gonna state now are the ones who I'm very grateful to. They are the ones who acted as the leading delegates in my committee, and I'm really happy that the committee was successful at last. It was just because of the delegates. So high commendation is a tie between two delegates. We have Ami Barsha, the delegate of USA, and Bhavik Dabra, the delegate of Ireland. Do we have both of you here?
Yes, sir. Thank you so much. It was a really
Yes,
great
sir.
experience.
Thank you, sir.
And for the best delegate, I need not to state that, but I have to. The best delegate is backed by the delegate of India, Vansh Award.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
For everyone's knowledge, he was really great. He was leading the committee from every side. So really thankful to every delegate of UNHRC. Everyone was great. We had first timers. We had some doubt. We had some things that were not good, but at last we succeeded as a committee that we needed to be. Thank you. Over to you, Anurag.
Thank you, Karan. Thank you. I hope that you all had a terrific MU, and this really was a great opportunity for learning, as all MUs actually are. And in the end, this is what we all feel, that you take away a great experience from this conference and end up with ideas that tend to revolutionize the future. So now I would like to call upon our MUN director for his speech and a few words about this conference and an advice for everyone here. Sir, please.
Thank you, Anurag. I am so thankful to each and everybody who has been the part of this conference for 2 days. I will not be so thankful to my EB members initially, because I can talk to them separately. I have been motivating them from past 1.5 or 2 months. So before we get into further thing, I would like to announce one award for the IP member, as given by the Tejavras, who is the IP head. Ananya Todi, Al Jazeera reporter in ICJ.
Yes, I'm there.
He is the best IP member. And Ananya, you people, this is for you also, and all the delegates whose name has been announced. See, the award, the word which is being used here means a certificate. The reason being that we are not confining these awards in terms of money, in terms of some gift and something else, because this was a zero expenditure conference, and I hope that you people would have enjoyed it. Today, I have received the name of most of the delegates, around 120 to 30 delegates. The e-certificates will be sent. Your participation certificates will be sent it will be sent on your email IDs, and your awardee certificates will also be sent on your email IDs. Still, if you have any problem in receiving the certificates, it may take till Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, 2-3 days it may take. But still, if you have any problem receiving certificates or awards and participation, you can always fall down and approach your chair, vice chair, and to the school and to me, anybody else, right? Now, one important thing which we are missing in this conference, I am going to introduce two people. Apart from the chair, vice chair, and all, they actually, the MUN was their baby. So they had to work actually in order to make this conference successful. But above all these things, there were two people whose name you would have not even heard. Is Gaurav here?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Gaurav, switch on your video, please.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Delegates, he is Gaurav, our IT head. He is the man behind all the ROPs, like written statements have been given by the people, but all the certificates, things, banner, this, that, and all. He is the man with whom I used to have a lot of discussions. Phone kyun switch off hai, phone kyun nahi uthaya, this, that, and all. And he was so patientful that he never denied for anything. He had solution of every problem which I used to talk to him. And you would not heard his name throughout the conference, that who is this man. So Gaurav has done a commendable job, and
Thank you, sir.
he will be
So it
getting
wouldn't
reward
have
for
been
that thing.
possible without your guidance.
Yes, Gaurav, that is there, but the job which has been done by you under the pressure, because the students at the team which works under me, I put them under pressure for around 1.5 2 months. My section is most aware about it, and the whole EB members. The another student or the EB member, Tejav Ras. Tejav, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Please switch on your video. He is
Yes,
another
sir.
man, our IP head. All the press issues and all which you are easily flipping and then reading, no, he is the man behind all these things, all the banner, these, that, and all. He is the man behind all these things. Collective work of this IT head and IP head. I would like to put it on record that yesterday I made him sleep at 3:30. He was busy in certain things. इसमें ये correction है, that correction, those corrections and all. When you all were sleeping, we were making all. Gaurav, myself, and our IP head were waking so that we can have a press release on time. So thankful to you, Tejav.
Thank you so much, sir.
Both of you have been so responsive, and then really.
I suppose that sir is having some technical difficulties. No worries, I will take on from here. It is very truly stated by our MUN director that both the IT head and IP head were the backbone of this conference, as this wouldn't even have been possible without them. And there is one more guy that I would like to congratulate on behalf of our MUN director, that is our conference head. He worked really hard to make this happen. He organized our meetings really well. He was actively participating in every other committees. He was observant, and he really did a terrific work. Thank you, Himanshu. You were really good, and a big thanks to everyone who was present over here and could attend our conference. Now I would like to invite our Secretary General for his speech and to announce the closure of the ceremony. Karun, do we have you here with us?
Anurag, just a second.
Oh,
I'll
okay,
take
great.
one or 2 minutes more. Right?
Okay, so greetings everyone again. Good evening. Totally what I did. Person who is present here. It is a bit surreal to speak before you all today, because once upon a time even I was though this was an online MUN, but we surely had fun. I remember what it was like to sit in your seats and the hard work that goes into preparing for these conferences. I'm really grateful to BPS Pilani for providing me this opportunity to have this conference. It is really wonderful to see so many of you taking interest in the United Nations, regardless of whether you ultimately pursue a career in diplomacy or something completely unrelated. Your initiative and enthusiasm to understand how the world works together at the United Nations, and sometimes how it does not, is something which is invaluable. My team was great to help me with everything. My vice chair was great. Every part of the EB was great. Thank you, everyone. My delegates were really great. At last, I would just like to end by stating something.